Are you seeking to sharpen those English language skills? Or perhaps you're just starting out on your linguistic journey. Wherever you might be on your English learning path, every single step forward counts. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to improving English skills. The first step is to immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English whenever and wherever possible. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch movies, and engage in conversation in English. The more exposure you have, the more familiar the language will become. Step 2. Practice makes perfect. Use English every day. Write in English, speak in English, think in English. This daily practice will help cement your knowledge and make the language second nature to you. The third step is to expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day. Use them in sentences, in conversations. The larger your vocabulary, the more expressive you can be in English. Step 4. Don't shy away from grammar. It might seem complex, but understanding the structure of the language is key to using it effectively. There are plenty of resources available to help you master English grammar. Step 5. Find a language buddy. This could be someone who is also learning English or a native speaker willing to help. Practice speaking with them regularly. This will not only help improve your pronunciation, but also your listening skills. The sixth step is to embrace your mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're trying, and they're an invaluable part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them, and when you do, learn from them. Our final step, step 7, is to stay motivated. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your end goal in sight and remember why you started this journey in the first place. To recap, the steps to improving your English skills are immersion, daily practice, vocabulary expansion, mastering grammar, finding a language buddy, embracing mistakes, and staying motivated. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today and embark on your English learning adventure. The world awaits you, and so does the English language.